So this unit is also east facing. Its view is directly the power plant mall and then the pool and clubhouse.
Hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Your Top Realtor. So for today's vlog, we have a broker's kickoff event with the theme of an evening in bloom.
Yeah.
So I'm here with the ever-blooming Miss Mara. So say hi!
Hi!
So, every kailan ka blooming?
Lagi naman po sana akong blooming, no?
So yun, so we're having fun over our broker's kickoff, and we're happy to share to you the lovely lobby of Manansala. So as you can see, no, we'll tour you around as well. So sige, let's give them a tour for our lobby. Sige,
Okay.
what's in store here, Miss Mara?
So for our lobby, it's really reminiscent of what we have in Makati. We really haven't, the standards that we have in Makati, we've truly applied it here. As you can see, ang ganda talaga, the luxury, the feel, the lifestyle that we have, it's very Rockwell-esque. So this is our Manansala lobby. And ang ganda, I don't know what else to say.
Very
Like,
stunning,
it's really
very
stunning,
elegant.
right?
Yep. So, with this vlog, we will also feature and show you around with our 2-bedroom, diba?
Yes.
With the actual deliverables of the Manansala. And how many square meter again?
So this bare unit is a 98 square meter 2-bedroom in the Manansala building, and it's a bare unit but fully finished. So lahat po ng makikita natin in the following clips are what you will receive upon turnover. It's what we actually deliver.
So what are we waiting for?
Let's go.
Let's go. So right now, we're here with the actual turnover of a 2-bedroom within a 98 square meter of floor area. So we will show you around what's the deliverable. Kasi I've noticed very detail-oriented si Rockwell, no? Kasi I've seen some arrows dito na talagang they make sure na quality and very premium yung unit na bibigay sa mga unit owner.
Yes.
So, what are we waiting for? Let's go!
So currently, we're in the kitchen area of the unit. So everything you see again here does come upon turnover. So that includes the countertops, all of the cabinets, oops, sorry, even the snag range hood comes with the unit upon turnover. Like Sir Alan just mentioned, there are a lot of little arrows around here because what Rockwell really makes sure is that all of our units are up to par with our standards and what we promise our client. So that's for the kitchen area. So as for the main living and dining area, this is what it looks like. So upon delivery, we have engineered wood flooring, and we have our ceiling height, which is at about 3 meters high.
Yep.
And every unit also has its own balcony, even the studio units. So, yeah.
It's very spacious, isn't it?
Yes.
So, ayan. And this one is facing on the amenity area. And you could also see on this balcony the Rockwell Power Plant Mall. And if you've noticed, this one is a soundproof, so you could not hear any noise outside. So, ganda.
Ang ganda talaga, guys. I wish you could see it in person.
Yep.
But actually, you can, diba?
Yeah.
So, mag-chat Alan and set aside viewing with him so that you can actually see this unit in person.
Yep. We're excited to show you around the actual unit. And shall we move forward? So right now, we're on the master's bedroom of Rockwell. Ayan.
So this is the master bedroom. So for all of our rooms, it comes also, of course, fully finished and with their own built-in cabinets. So this is what the room itself looks like. It has windows here. And then if you go to your right, we have our built-in cabinets as well.
But before that, if they notice on the windows, very generous wide ng window ni Rockwell, right?
Yes.
So, that yung natural light will comes in, no? So, ganda.
So, super maaliwalas ang units here. And if you can see here, we also have an ensuite for the master bedroom. So, as we've mentioned, everything that you see here does come with the unit. So, that is the Kohler toilet, the Kohler sink, And then, if you take a closer look, but we can do that later on sa Coma Toilet and Bath, no? But the unit also comes with the shower enclosure ng toilet, which you can see actually a bit easier here. So yun, upon turnover, gantong-ganto yung itsura ng CR natin.
And one thing that one of our clients mentioned, because he's 6 feet tall. Yep. So, kumbaga, saktong-sakto, hindi naman, sobra pa.
Sobra pa,
Yep. So, ayun. So, we have really very high ceiling as well as on the toilet and bath.
So, very spacious.
Correct. And as we move forward on the second bedroom, so, ito din yan. And, ito yung actual deliverables na. So, what you see is what you get with the premium quality of Rockwell. Right? So, yun.
Okay.
And we're so excited to show you around as well on the fully furnished unit so that at least our clients can have an idea kung paano mas mapapaganda yung unit nila. Right? But wait! Before we miss this part, there's also a utility room over here. So, ayan. I think they could also convert this one into a small office space. What do you think? Diba?
Yes, it's actually very versatile yung room na to because it's across the kitchen lang din. So you could either make it a stock room, pantry, maid's quarter if you want, which actually makikita nyo siya in the furnished na show unit namin. And here, we also have our provisions for washer and dryer.
So we're excited to see the fully furnished one. Ayun.
So this unit naman is a 82 square meter 2-bedroom unit which is fully furnished so that our clients are able to really envision how they can set up their future unit. So here you can see this is the living and dining area. So we've incorporated a dining table here, of course the lounging area, and the balcony.
So, what's your favorite dish for tonight, Mara?
My favorite dish tonight, pwede bang dessert?
Dessert? Yeah,
I
sure.
really like the pudding.
The pudding.
From Deli by Chella, guys. It's really good.
Must taste. And, yeah, ang galing. And, diba, may pagka, let me just open the blinds.
Okay, so this unit is also amenities facing. So
Correct.
its view is directly the power plant mall and then the pool and clubhouse. So here, if you want to get a closer look.
Correct, yep. So go ahead and see the view. So as you can see, even at night, it's already 8:30 p.m. So there are a lot of workers pa na nandito, no? And they're really planning to deliver the power plant mall by next year. So something to really look forward. And over there, if you could see, there's already the swimming pool. And hopefully, this year, matatapos na din yung gym namin. So, ayun. So, let's go on the bedroom. Ayun. So, this is the first bedroom. No? I really love the interior design nito. Na
Super homey, no?
homey. Yep.
It's very comfortable.
And this one, I think it's double queen size.
Yes. Queen size yun.
Yep. So, kasyang-kasya. Ang ganda. So, all I can say is, ang ganda. Very stunning and elegant looking with Rockwell. So, let's go on the master's bedroom. Ayan. So, this is our master's bedroom. And, masarap mag-Netflix and chill tonight. So, ayan yung TV, no? Naka-install na. But, again, it depends on your liking kung how would you like your master's bedroom, kung paano yung orientation, no? Since kakatapos lang ng Chinese New Year, you could also lay out based on your superstitious beliefs, no? So, it's very flexible. Again, napakalaki ng window so that, again, the natural light will comes in. Of course, for our master's bedroom, again, you have your own toilet and bathroom over there. So, I hope you've enjoyed our condo tour for tonight with the theme of and ring in blue. So, ayun. And again, we're really excited to show you around. And just feel free to message us to book an appointment with us so that you could really see the actual ones here in Rockwell and even the progress, no? So, ayun. And what can you say pa? Mara?
Yes, well, we'd really like for you to see the unit in person because it's really pretty in videos. What more pa if you're here na actual? So our show unit is open for visiting every Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. So if you're interested, just feel free to reach out to our top broker.
Wow! And with a blooming ever Mara. So thank you guys and see you on our next vlog. Bye for now.